If you're watching this video, then I'm guessing that you're considering a career as a locksmith. Being a locksmith can be a very lucrative and rewarding career. This course is designed for people that are looking to make a career change but aren't quite sure whether the locksmith industry is for them. The trainer of this course has been training as a professional locksmith for over 10 years and has opened and replaced or fitted thousands of locks during this time. As with all our courses, this course is broken down into easy, understandable sections. Each section has a professionally filmed video showing you the types of locks fitted to the different types of doors. You'll learn how to remove the different types of locks. We'll also demonstrate how to identify and measure the lock so that you can supply and fit a replacement. You'll learn where to purchase replacement locks at an affordable price. This includes details about anti-snap locks and which ones to buy. We'll demonstrate how to swap the levers inside a mortise lock instead of changing the whole lock. This will save you money. We'll take a look at the inside of different types of locks and you will learn how each lock works. This is really important. You're not going to be able to pick or drill open a lock if you don't know how it works. You will learn how to fresh fit cylinder, mortise and digital locks to a door that doesn't currently have one. We'll demonstrate how to open a door with a faulty latch. We'll also teach you how to remove a snapped key from a door. As with all our courses, you'll have open access to our training videos. You can watch the video, try out your skills, and then watch the video again if you need more help. At the end of each section, there's an online assessment that will put your knowledge to the test. You can also print off a certificate to prove your knowledge. This may help you to obtain work as a locksmith. In addition to the training already mentioned, we'll also talk you through some of the different methods used to gain entry to properties. These include picking, slipping, drilling, bumping and bypassing locks. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video today. If you would like to view our other locksmith training videos, please visit our YouTube channel or visit our website, which is traintobealocksmithonline.com. Thank you.